In this video, you will learn everything that you need to know about impressions on YouTube. What is an impression? This question is answered in the YouTube Creator Academy. Go to the course, Get Insights with YouTube Analytics. Lesson 3. Understanding your video reach on YouTube. When a viewer comes across your video thumbnails on YouTube, it's called an impression. Impressions show how many times your video thumbnails are shown to users on YouTube. Impressions are counted if the thumbnail is shown for more than 1 second and at least 50% of the thumbnail is visible on the screen. In other words, when a viewer sees more than 50% of your thumbnail for at least 1 second. More information can be found when we go to YouTube Help and search for Check Your Impressions and Click-Through Rate. Impressions are counted on YouTube on computers, TVs, game consoles, Android, iPhone, and iPad. YouTube search, YouTube homepage, YouTube feeds, subscriptions, trending, history, and watch later. Up next, recommendations on the right side of the video player, including autoplay and playlists. Impressions are not counted on external websites and apps, the YouTube mobile website, YouTube Kids app, YouTube Music app, content within the video player, email or notifications, videos that play in the background tab, videos whose thumbnails are less than 50% visible or visible for less than 1 second, and TrueView video discovery ads. Congratulations! Now you know everything that you need to know about impressions on YouTube.